Well, hello there, and welcome to the Great American Stampin' Show, Season 4, Episode 1, the very first episode for Season 4. You have found this video, and we are back. Now, if this is your first time catching a Great American Stampin' Show video, make sure to go into my YouTube channel and find the playlist. There's lots of past seasons there, and past videos, and past inspiration to check out. I'm Shannon West, and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I am so thrilled to be sharing a little project with you today. Now, let me tell you what we have planned for Season 4. Me and my stamping buddies, Brandy, Julie, and Jody, have prepared cards featuring a specific color. That's what we're going to feature for Season 4, our favorite colors. And guess who's first? That's me. My favorite color currently, it does change from time to time, but my favorite color is Petunia Pop. So we are going to bring our best and show you Petunia Pop cards, and you get to decide who the winner is. So let's see that thumbs up on the video that you like best, and then we will decide you will decide the winner by Sunday. Okay, what else? Let's see. Sign up for my mailing list. I'll put a link in the description of my video. And also, if you want to make the card that I'm just about to show you, all of the sometimes measurements and things. Clearly haven't done that yet, but I'm gonna add things into the video description to help you make the card if you want to make it along with me. Definitely a supply list. Okay, I think that's about it. I guess that's it. Let's check this card out. Okay, so the color is Petunia Pop, but I need some other colors with it, right? So I was thinking this color scheme, and I haven't made this card before. I'm starting right now. I love Petunia Pop with the blues, so I'm thinking I'll find some way to work these blues in. However, my plan is this. I'm going to use the Grow with Love bundle, which is buried here on my desk. Okay, got it. With these beautiful plants, and then the dies. So this is just the dies that cut out the plants. I don't think I'm even going to use those, but I am going to use this which makes an awesome little envelope. And then this die too. So let's see, first thing I want to do, where's my big stamp? There it is. There's this awesome label stamp right there. So I'm going to do that very first, and then cut that out on the Stampin' Cut Emboss machine, if I can manage to get that out. Okay. And then this fits right around it perfectly. This is my first time using this bundle though, so I don't know. We'll see. So that was just Petunia Pop on Petunia Pop. And then I'll cut that out. Ooh, fits perfectly. That's going to be so cute. And then the envelope I'm going to cut out with this piece of designer series paper from the Country Woods bundle. It's got this on the outside and this on the inside. Okay, let's see what that looks like. So that makes a perfect little envelope here. So this is the inside, and there's score lines there. So I'm just going to fold those in and fold this bottom piece up. So it makes a little envelope which perfectly fits this little card. So I'm going to put it on the front of my card like this, but the idea is, you know, it came from inside of that envelope right there. Okay, so just need a little bit of adhesive because this DSP is pretty soft. I could tuck that under. I think you could do it either way, under or on the outside, but I'll do it on the outside just to see how that looks. Okay. All right, and then I'm going to give that a real good crease with the bone folder so it stays closed. Okay, cool. So now I've got this piece right here, and I'm going to take the, where did it go? This one right here, the time, and just kind of stamp that a little bit in the background here. And again, just with Petunia Pop. But I think I'm going to try it first, stamping off, just to see how it looks. Okay, I like that, and I'll do it a couple more times. I'm imagining a greeting kind of right across here, and so I want to keep the words kind of in the same place so that the greeting can cover them, if that makes sense. Or you know what, I could just mask it. So actually I'm going to stamp that off, cover up that or clean off that part and try again. I'm not going to ink up the words. That's much easier. So stamp off, just do it over here. Okay, cute. And I think maybe one or two more. Okay, that is looking nice. And I did the last one full strength just to give some variation. Here's a little piece of basic white, and I want to stamp, let's see, where did it go? The words, "You're on my mind." So that's what I'm imagining kind of being right there. So at this point, I think this is when I could work in a little bit of blue. I don't know, or is that going to look weird? All right, I decided just to go with early espresso, or maybe even pecan pie is nice, because I don't know, I decided it's a Petunia Pop project. So let's let that be the main event. Moving right along. So we've got a Petunia Pop card. So cute. And then I've used vanilla, and there's glitter on it. I don't know where that came from. And ran it through the machine with the plaid embossing folder. Ooh, I love that embossing folder. But I better use some liquid glue to make sure it sticks. And I'm kind of imagining like a little bit of a weathered look. So I probably should have done that before I put the glue on. But I'm going to kind of like rough up these corners a little bit. Maybe even like, I don't know. Great. This is really... what a mess. This is well, we'll see how this goes. Okay, I managed to curl the edges up, but not much else on the roughing up. That's okay. So stick that down, and then, well, there's a little bit there. And now we can layer on our envelope and our little card right here. This is looking so cute. Okay, I'm gonna put this down with this. And then now we just need a little bit of embellishing. So for the embellishing, I've got "You're on my mind" here, and that's gonna go just right here. And then, let's see, okay. Now before I stick this down, I want to do a little bit of linen thread wrapped around a couple times, but wow, this is curly, so this is going to be a little bit tricky. I'll just wrap this around the bottom here and avoid these dimensionals and tie a bow. Okay, this is looking cute. I'll just kind of stick that, I don't know, I like it better up here, but I wanted to cover up those words that I accidentally stamped. Maybe I'll just slide this down a little bit, and that will cover it up just fine. Am I hitting something there? No, I think that works. Okay, just put that right across there. Cute! All right, and then now, last step, I'm going to embellish with a couple of jewels. These are the purple adhesive backed sequins, which are a celebration item. So right now, with a purchase, you can get these for free with a $60 purchase. You can get them for free. So let's see, let's just put a few of these out around. And there you have it. My entry for the Great American Stampin' Show, Season 4, Episode 1, Petunia Pop, which is my favorite color. And here is my little entry. I sure hope you like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Maybe collectively, you and I can win. Either way, I hope you love this bundle, and I'll put links in the description so that you can head on over to my store and get it for yourself, because it is super fun to create with. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.